I like the atmosphere, I like the challenges manufacturing brings. I like working for Hillary's, mainly because it's a local company, they're successful, but everybody is one team.
Started off on the shop floor as a production operative, progressed to product support and then section leader. So yeah, I really enjoy the job.
I'd been a plumber before, so it was much different to what I'd done previously. I just wanted a stability, somewhere that was well known and good to work.
It's a fantastic place to work. I love working at Hillary's.
They are great believers investing in the people. And that's not just now, they've always invested in people.
The volumes that we've been hitting, the increase of quality, it's been unbelievable.
Every day is different and there's different hurdles we face, so it keeps me on my toes. And I like that.
The room tends to get together, they'll go out on nights, everybody gets on and it is a nice atmosphere to work in.
It's a nice, pleasant environment, and I think that's what people stay here for.
If I didn't like my job, I wouldn't have stayed here for 15 years.
Hillary's actually offer quite a good reward scheme. You've got the odd staff discount, you've got the health shield.
I think it's challenging, but it's rewarding. To be part of a team and to make a good product going out the door is excellent, and I think that's the reward you get.